In this video, I'm going to create a brand new dropshipping store and try to make it profitable in just 48 hours. Make sure you guys stick around to the end of this video because I will be showing you guys the results. I'm going to break this down into 4 easy steps. The first step is you want to find a product, which is known as your winning product. This is one of the most important steps because without a winning product, your store is not going to convert. To find my winning product, I'm going to be using Sell the Trend. Sell the Trend is a all-in-one dropshipping platform that helps with product research and store building. My favorite part about Sell the Trend is their TikTok Explorer feature that lets you find the hottest product on TikTok. So that means that I'm able to go directly to Sell the Trend and I'm able to find viral products on TikTok that are selling. So that way I can get an idea of what product I want to sell myself. Let's head right over to Sell the Trend and find our winning product. If you're interested in Sell the Trend, I'm going to leave the link in my description for you to go ahead and sign up. Right now I'm on Sell the Trend. I'm going to go to products and I'm going to go to TikTok. So this is their TikTok Explorer feature. So as you can see here, when I scroll down, I'm seeing all the trending products on TikTok that are going viral. And I'm seeing the amount of plays they got. For example, this one got 5.7 million plays, 49,000 likes, and 447 shares. So this platform is great because I don't have to go on TikTok and spend hours and hours searching and scrolling up. I could come directly on this platform and I'm able to see which products are trending. I'm going to spend some time on Sell the Trend to find my winning product. After spending some time searching, I finally found a product that I think will work. And I really like this product and I decided to go ahead and use this product. This product I chose was an electric lint roller. And as you can see in this video, this product is very good. I feel like it'll be a great product to use by both men and women in any age group. So that's kind of some of the things I like about this product. It's simple to use and it's not even expensive. It's very affordable. So after you find your winning product, what you want to do is find a supplier. So simply what I did was I head over to AliExpress and I just search lint. I just searched electronic lint remover and a few products popped up and the prices are very affordable. They're 99 cents and the shipping is $1.99. So I'll be able to make a good profit margin on these products. And this is the product page that I came across. So they have different pictures of the product. You know, they have different features that the product have. So, you know, they tell you a lot about the product. And, you know, they have great pictures. You know, they give you some more information that is rechargeable, 4 different mode, and the stainless blade. After the first step is completed, you want to move on to step 2. Step 2 is going to be store building. You want to get ready to go ahead and start building your store. You want to use some great images, great details, great description about the product. And I'm going to start my store building process. I probably won't record too much of this, but once I'm finished with the store, I'll resume recording. I actually ended up using Shopify to create my website. And the reason behind that is because I have way more experience with Shopify. If you guys are interested in Shopify, I have a link in my description that will get you 3 months for just $1. So here's my store. This is the home page. So at the top I have $10 off on all orders using this code. This is the home page. So I ended up calling the store Lint Buster. And this is this banner at the top. So I have images at the product. And I have a link to just go to the buy now page, and just throughout the page is just giving more information about the product and why you should buy it. And down here we have the product. So I call it Lint Buster Pro. Here's the product page. So you can get to the product page by clicking buy now, or you can just go to shop now. So we have a nice description and we have some images here. These are some great images of the product. And you know, all the images is basically just have information about the product. I really like this page. And then at the bottom we have some reviews. So yeah, that's pretty much what the website will look like. So I think it's a nice, simple website for a one product store. So the first 2 steps are completed. I found my product to sell and I created my store. Step 3 is ads. This is going to be one of the most important steps because without good ads, your campaign will most likely fail. For my ads, I'm going to be using viral ecom ads. If you guys have been in the dropshipping space for a while, I'm sure you guys heard of viral ecom ads before. They are the biggest ad agency in this industry. So let's head over to viral ecom ads now, and I'll show you guys what that looks like. So here's the viral ecom ads website. So here you'll see the different packages they offer. So in this case, I'm going to be coming down to video ads, and let's find a package. In this case, I'm going to want to do the TikTok split testing package because I'm going to be running ads on TikTok, and I have one product, and I'm going to be getting 3 different ads for that one product. The price here is $50, but if you are a member, you just pay $12.50. So if you plan on doing a lot of drop shipping and running a lot of ads, I recommend getting the VIP membership because you will definitely save money. You get 75% off, and you get it delivered in 24 hours. That's definitely unbeatable. And for the VIP, you're only paying $50 a month. If you guys are interested with working with viral e-com ads, I will leave a link in my description. Make sure to use Hustle to get 15% off your order. So here's my 3 ads I got back. This is the ad 1.
Say goodbye to those pesky lint balls ruining your favorite clothes. Introducing the rechargeable lint remover. No more fuzz, just smooth fabrics. Say hello to effortless style. Get yours today and keep your wardrobe looking fresh and clean.
That was the first ad. Here's the second one.
Don't let lint and fuzzies get you down. This lint remover is a game changer. With its stainless steel knife mesh and one-button start, it's easy and effective. Plus, it fits a wide range of fabrics and home goods. Get yours today and keep your wardrobe looking sharp.
And here's the third one.
Tired of lint ruining your look? Say hello to this rechargeable lint remover. It's versatile, efficient, and perfect for all your clothes and home goods. With quick charging and easy storage, it's a must-have for every closet. Get yours today and say goodbye to lint headaches.
So that's the 3 ads. I really like all 3 ads, so I use all 3 of them for testing. These ads are great. I think they'll do great on TikTok. So we're on to step 4. Step 4 is going to be launching TikTok ads. So I'm going to show you guys how I did my TikTok ads. Here's how I did my ads. Make sure you do website conversion, and then for the campaign name, you can just do the product name and hit continue. I did CBO, so I just did a daily budget of $50. Then you just hit continue. Then you just could, if you want, you could add an ad group name, or you could just leave it. Select website, and you want to select your TikTok pixel, and optimization event is going to be complete purchase. Complete payment. And then for your placements, you're just going to hit select placements and only do TikTok. And turn off for search results. And then turn off video download and user comments. Then I'm going to leave it for US, all gender, and I'm just going to change the age group from 18 to 55 plus. Everything else I'm going to leave, and then only thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to schedule it for the following day to start running whatever time I desire. In this case, I chose 6 a.m. for it to start running the next day. And once you're done, you go to next. And I turned on smart creative ads, and I changed the ad name. And you could turn on identity. After that, you just go ahead and start uploading your ads. So I just uploaded my 3 ads that I got from viral ecom ads, and then you could just add some text. And once you have your text, you can add up to 5. and then you just add your website and submit. After running these ads for 2 days, I got my results and I'm going to share them with you guys. So here's my TikTok ad manager. The first day I ran an ad was on February 26th. And here's how it did. So my budget was $50 and we end up spending $42.54 on ads. The CPC was $1.37. CPM was 1320, 3,223 impression and 31 clicks. You know, I would wish for it to be more clicks, and we have 0 conversions. So basically we got no sales on the first day, which is not good at all. And let's go to day 2. Hopefully day 2 is better. So day 2, we have the same budget. We spend $57.46 on ads. We had a $2.05 CPC, so the CPC went up. We had a $11.89 CPM, so the CPM went down. And we had 4,000 impressions, so we had more impressions, but we had less click. Wow. And we had 0 conversion as well. On Shopify, we had 49 online sessions, store sessions. We have 0 sales, no orders, no conversions. So on the 26th, let's see what we did. We had 0 add to cart, 0 checkout, and 0 conversions. So let's look at the 27th. On the 27th, we had more sessions. We had 2 add to cart on the 27th. 2 people add the product to the cart, but they did not reach checkout. Definitely the ads performed better on the 27th. Still, we didn't have any conversion. After spending $100 on TikTok ads, I did not make any sales. So pretty much we're at a loss, $100. This is expected. This is what comes with running ads. This is what comes with drop shipping. So it involves a lot of testing. You're not always going to find immediate success, but when you do, it's going to be massive, right? So this was me just testing a product, and obviously this lets me know that this is not a winning product. Moving forward, what I'll do is I'll just try testing a new product. I'm going to still be testing new product. This is not me giving up. I know that dropshipping works, so I'm going to definitely test another product. I have another product that I actually do want to try, so I'm going to be doing that whole process over again. And you know, you guys can follow my journey. I broke it down into 4 simple steps. So now you guys know how to get started with drop shipping. It's simple as just finding a product, creating a store, creating some ads, and launching your ad campaign. It's that simple, and it doesn't have to be expensive. Drop shipping, it involves a lot of testing. You have to test your ads, test your product, test your campaign. So it's just everything involves testing until you're able to find something that works for you. So thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you guys learned a lot from this video, and I'm going to be doing more drop shipping type videos on my account. If you guys like it, please like, comment, and subscribe.